Welcome, everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to efficiently review supply agreements using DocuMine. Supply agreements often involve complex terms and responsibilities between parties, making manual reviews tedious and time-consuming. That's where DocuMine comes in. DocuMine is an AI engine that eliminates the tedious task of manually searching through large volumes of documents. It allows you to ask specific questions and receive precise answers, automatically linking them to the relevant text, numbers, or clauses in the source document. With DocuMine, you can save time, maintain consistency, and ensure traceability, making your review process faster and more accurate. Let's get started. First, upload your supply agreement documents to the DataSnipper platform using the Import or Organize buttons. Next, open the Excel sheet where you've prepared your questions. In this tutorial, we've already written down key questions such as, what is the term or duration of this agreement? Who is responsible for shipping costs? Can anyone else act on behalf of the buyer? Click the DocuMine icon in the ribbon to open the DocuMine pane on the right side of your screen. Highlight your questions in the Excel sheet and click Next. Now, select your supply agreement documents in the DocuMine pane and click Start. DocuMine will automatically search for answers to your highlighted questions. Once the process is complete, click Start Review to review the AI-generated answers in your Excel sheet. Each cell contains the answer DocuMine found, along with snips referencing the source document for easy verification. Review each answer carefully. If the answer is correct, click Approve to save it in the designated cell. Approved answers will turn into pink snips confirming your review is complete. If the answer is incorrect, click Reject to discard it. If a cell is empty 90% of the time, the answer is not in the document. However, we recommend checking the document to confirm. For a more detailed review, you can use Focus Mode, which displays one question and answer at a time while providing full context from the source document. In short, DocuMine makes reviewing supply agreements fast, efficient, and reliable. By automating the search process and linking answers to their sources, you can focus on validating critical information and making better decisions. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!